So can you comment on, like I've had people bring up, but everybody there has free health care. You have to pay for yours. They talk about that everything's fair. You don't have the real rich and stuff. Could you just explain some of those things, having been there and experienced it?
Well, first of all, it's not free. Nothing in life is free. Everybody has to pay for it somehow. A lot of them paid with it with death and, and fighting for their freedoms that they lost when the communists took over. But even when they talk about the free healthcare system, yes, you can go into a hospital and you might not have to pay a bill. But I know that my dad at one time went to visit a woman who had given birth to a baby and went to visit her, and she was in a hospital bed, but they didn't have enough beds. So she was sharing the hospital bed with somebody who was in a coma.
Wow.
They actually had two people to a bed, and that is not an uncommon story. That is regular. That happens, very commonly. So yes, it might be free, but what is the quality of healthcare that you're getting with that? And so they talk about all these great things that that communism supposedly does, but they ignore the tens of millions of people that communist governments have killed and what it has done to the advancement of the gospel. Communism is a work of Satan.
Amen.
It is demonic, and it must be opposed, especially by believers. But even by Americans who truly value freedom should be opposed adamantly to communism and socialism.